You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from German originally. This is a given name and also a surname rooted in Hebrew, and it's like Matthew but in German. Okay, so how do you pronounce it? Matthaus, that's a German pronunciation. The A with the umlaut is pronounced E, not A. That's why you got an umlaut on it. Matthaus, okay. TH is pronounced pretty much like a T. Matthaus. Matthaus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.